Please, come.
You seek to protect these outsiders, Razor. You cannot tame my fury. You must clear their name with your sword. What your humans have taught you. Bear your claws of steel.
Judgment is upon you. You stand condemned. Your penance is due. Well played.
Inadmissible evidence! Motion to compel!
Nowhere to run!
Freeze! Don't push your luck. I taste blood. Please, calm.
It's just like he said. An outside, but Razor, you fight not with claws. You are.
I am not like them. I don't belong.
You are no and you. If you ever wish, you may train with me. I have nothing.
Hey, Razor, what's that look for? Why don't...
Yeah, you have a friend in Mondstadt. You know, that...
You're not safe in the wild anymore. But...
I'm fine. Don't worry. But also, not Wolf. Thank you, Traveler, Paimon, and other...
Hey, we've been with you all this time, and you still don't even know my...
Goodbye.